Hey there, Michael here from Conceptual, and today I quickly wanted to show you how you can win more deals by personalizing your sales presentation with Conceptual. We all know we should do that, but we never seem to have the time to personalize things. But it doesn't have to be like that, so I wanted to show you how in just 60 seconds you can customize a presentation for a prospect and win that deal. So let's start by assuming that we want to sell this new feature that we're starting to build. We're trying to sell a customer-facing feature, and we're selling to businesses. We're selling to this candle business. That was our first attempt here, was selling to them. But now we want to try out a couple of different verticals. So we want to try out alcohol, and we want to try specifically breweries. We want to try wineries in there, maybe distilleries as well. And the first two things we need to do here to customize it is we need to change out the logo and we need to change out the cover image here. And I want to show you how easy that is. You just go in here, you rename the layer with curly brackets, just as if you were sending that sales email and you wanted to customize the first name, last name in a template. It's the same exact idea. You just add the double curly braces in here, and that will tell the plugin that that's an area that you want to change in here. And then we just need to bring our plugin in here, and the plugin will show us two columns, one for the cover image here, URL, and one for the logo URL. And all we need to do is we need to insert our custom logos and cover images. I have a spreadsheet already here, so one way you can do it is you can copy from a spreadsheet, or you can just modify it yourself. So I can just insert it here, and I can just hit generate. And that will go and get those images for us. And just like that, we build a presentation for a winery and a brewery in here. And we can add it to our PowerPoint slides, or we can show it right here in Figma if you have even more things in here as well. It's really, or we can even insert it as an image in an email if you want to go that route as well. And that's really it. So now let's take a look at a more sophisticated example to just see how far we can take this. So we can do the same thing just for this entire e-commerce page. So we have different product images. I've already renamed those layers in here. And same as before, we can just bring out our plugin in here, and you'll have all the rows and columns that we want. And instead of using a spreadsheet, let's actually use an Airtable. In this case, it's just a little bit easier to manage multiple fields in an Airtable, I found. So we're going to use that, and we can see we have all the product images in here. We have the descriptions already modified, and we even have colors here modified with the brand color that we're looking for. Same as before, all we need to do is copy and paste. So we're going to do that and hit generate. And then we just wait 1 second for it to load up all the images for us. So it's just doing its work, trying to pull all those images in. It pulled the text color in here. It pulled different descriptions in here as well. And we even added another vertical here for distilleries. And that's it. That's all you need to do. If you enjoy this, if you want to win more deals and you want to get access, it's still early stages, so you have to go up into here into conceptual.so, enter your email, and I'll see you there. You can also hit me up on Twitter if you'd like,